Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it. That's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So if you want to work with somebody who will focus on you and listen to your needs, let our top-notch service do the job right for you. Thank you for dropping in today. We look forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.